Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to make another hydrating drink. And the hydrating drink I'll be making today is papaya mango juice. If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. On this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about how to make elder drink, how to make elder meal, and also how to do different DIY life hack that can save you money, DIY beauty hack that can help you to have glowing, natural, beautiful skin. And lastly, I talk about how to make DIY home decoration on budget. Please check out all my videos on my channel, Cecelia O YouTube channel. Back to today's video. What I'll be making today is another hydrating juice. And to make this hydrating juice, I'll be using two main ingredients. And the ingredients I'll be using to make this hydrating juice are loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties that can help us to lose weight, to boost immunity, to live healthy, to slow down aging, and also to improve longevity. And the two main ingredients I'll be using for today's juice are papaya and mango. And papaya and mango is gonna be wow. So I'll be using these two main ingredients, papaya and mango, and I'll be blending this with water. So what I have in this cup is water. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is to wash my ingredients and to cut it. Please relax, sit back, and let's enjoy today's video together. And don't forget to share this video, like this video, and also recommend our YouTube to other people. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end, and please try to check my YouTube channel, Cecelia O, for the full video. If you're watching the short video, please try to check my YouTube channel, Cecelia O, for the full video. I love you all, and thank you for staying tuned to the end. Let's dive in. So now I have my ingredients washed and cut. This is papaya, cut papaya, medium size of papaya. And this is cut mangoes. And I use 2 mangoes and 1 medium size of papaya. And this will be able to serve 3 people. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to blend this with water. And my hand is clean. I have a glass of water here. Water in here. First batch is done. And let me move closer. So here is it, the papaya mango, the first batch. So here is the first batch of the papaya mango. And I'll be doing the second batch now. Adding water. So the papaya mango smoothie is done. Here is the second batch. To make this juice, I use two main ingredients. I use papaya and mango. Then I blend it with water. The papaya mango juice is done. Please try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you've learned one or two things today, and I hope you check out all my videos. And thank you so much for staying tuned to the end. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. I love you all. And until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia O. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Thank you.